Ford Mustang GT hits 163 miles per hour with a 450 horsepower 5-liter V8 engine. Dodge Challenger SRT Superstock 807 horsepower 60 miles per hour in just 3.25 seconds, capped at 168 miles per hour. Ford Mustang Mach-1 470 horsepower 4.7 seconds to 60 miles per hour reaches 160 miles per hour. Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 supercharged 650 horsepower beast tops at 200 miles per hour. Dodge Charger Scat Pack sedan with 485 horsepower speeds to 175 miles per hour. Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack naturally aspirated 6.4-liter V8 176 miles per hour. Dodge Challenger Demon, a jaw-dropping 1,025 horsepower missile 0 to 60 in 1.66 seconds. Which is your favorite muscle machine?